Hey guys, what's up? Haven't done this in a while. You can see that we upgraded. We got a mic. Now it's all fancy, the wireless. But you know, very quickly, this is probably an update for the last couple of weeks, which I haven't done in a while. A lot of things are happening. We're growing. We let one person go, unfortunately. He's a cool guy. We're still going to be good friends, but it just wasn't the right fit, neither for him, for us. It's sad. If you're watching, you know what I'm talking about. I wish it would have worked, but we have to move on and make the decisions. So I'm super excited. Some of you guys know that one of the things that make us a little different is that we make those decisions on hiring and especially firing pretty quickly, because that's what essentially going to help us grow fast. Lately, we've been focusing a lot on the speed and how fast we grow and actually how fast we bring products to the market. So we're working on not only price comparison, we're working on product reviews, distributor reviews, and how to update the system. Now the chat, the messaging system. So it's all going to be rolling out pretty quickly. And by the way, Sergey next week is going to work on, it's an update to Liz. He's going to work on multiple accounts from the admin side. So you don't have to create these email accounts through Yahoo. And we already expired on Gmail and all that stuff. So that's the cool stuff that we're going to do in the back end. But from a business standpoint, there's something very interesting. We did raise a little bit of money recently. It's still in the process, but the way we did it is we figured out that we don't need it. That was very helpful, and when people reached out, we just said, we don't need it, thank you, and we just got a check. So that was nice, and that just gives us a little bit of confidence, the cushion to make certain decisions. We also brought a couple of people on board this week. If you guys are watching, we're super excited, Jake and Erica. So Jake is going to start in June as our onboarding expert, and then Erica is going to come in end of July as our marketing associate. Both are super awesome kids, I'll call them, but like we're going to hustle. It's a good add-on to our team. I think we're going to be ninjas. I'm excited about that. And the biggest thing that we figured out so far is we're becoming the plumbing. And I always talk about it jokingly that we're like, I'm so excited to talk about this. Everybody like trying to figure out the fancy stuff. We figured out how to take an order from any client and submit it to any distributor. So we're obviously still fine-tuning that, but I think having that figured out and being confident about it is going to be a huge push. And we just talked today that we're going to grow that team to a lot more people so that all the orders are being processed quickly, the technology is there, so everything is there. So that's exciting. I've been in a panel yesterday to talk about business. I really didn't like one question from one asshole. I hope that he got my answer correctly. He asked how to make people work for you. I hate that fucking answer. And I mean the question, and I really hope that people change their mentalities. And I was really excited that a lot of people are interested in starting a business. And the panel was really cool too. Like it was a lot of really good people. So I hope I get invited more. Not that I have too much to talk about, but I think it's just a cool experience to meet more people. And lastly, the last thing that was really interesting, this week I started thinking about expansion and moving to UK, and things are coming together, and there's a big likelihood that I'm going to be going to London end of October, 19th to 21st, for a conference, and then our goal is to open up our solution for UK customers in January 1st, starting January 1st. So again, it's funny that we're recording it. We'll see how it happens. But it's just so fun just to think about. Like it's a mind-boggling. And we've been lucky with our advisors. We have some really, really cool advisors. And for anybody who's starting out, just keep in mind you don't have to give out your equity to advisors. There's just a lot of good people that want to think about. I mean, want to help you out. And I really had goosebumps today. One of our customers, really, really good customer. Last night I talked to the doctor, and her husband is the one who's on a product side in the tech world, is helping us, basically advising. It all came in, they became our customers, and we talked, and then husband and I got together, we talked, and then he's just decided to advise us. And now they told me that the doctor said last night, she got home and her husband talked about Zen supplies and improvement and things like that. Can you just imagine that somebody at their dinner table will talk about a small startup out of Chicago? I mean, it's just amazing. I couldn't believe it. I really had like something going on my skin that I was like, wow. And you know, there are at least 3 to 4 moments that happened today that almost like brings the tears in your eyes. And you know, these moments are rare when you build a business. There's a lot of fighting. There's a lot of fuck you moments, but this was exciting. So this was a super exciting week. A lot is going on. We're talking to distributors. We'll see what happens. So I'll try to stay consistent and give another update next week. So any comments are going to be super awesome. So if you guys put some comments down, I'll answer. Facebook is working awesely for us. We're doing Facebook ads. They're kicking ass. We'll see how much business it brings. But so far, what we get is super good. And then that's it. I'm going to be on a podcast, Alan Mead's podcast, Alan Mead Experience. So check it out. It's going to be down to earth, very simple conversation. I hope you guys give it a chance, and I'll see you next Friday.